Hey everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Box. Hope you all are doing great. You all are fine at home. So in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing my experience and my review with the L'Oreal Professionals Expert Serie collection, or I would say the Expert Serie range. So in today's video I will be using their shampoo, their mask and the serum. So it's a three-step process, a three-step treatment I would rather say. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, from past 1 month I'm traveling for official purposes and I'm still now traveling. So I had my hairs damaged and it was so rough that I was really worried about my hair, and you know, with these tight schedules you cannot take care of your skin and your hair. So I was really very worried. So I urgently called my hairstylist and asked for the urgent help. So he suggested me this hair care range, which is this L'Oreal Professional Serie Expert range. The entire hair care regime comes within 3 steps and with the 3 products. So it was really very easy for me to travel with it and to take care of my hair at the same time, maintaining the time schedule as well. So I was really very amazed to see the differences I got after using it for the first time. I'm gonna show you guys and we will together see the difference. So here you go.
So for the first step, I'm using this L'Oreal Professional Serie Expert shampoo, which is enriched with gold quinoa and protein. So I have rinsed my hair. Going ahead, and for the second step, I'm going to use this Serie Expert hair mask on my damp hair. The texture of the mask is very buttery, but it is absolutely non-sticky and absolute genius from L'Oreal Professional. As you can see, I have made sections and now I'm applying the mask all over from the mid length of each sections. Make sure you do not apply it on your scalp. This mask is an expert nourishing mask to repair damaged hair infused with gold quinoa plus protein. The professional butter-like formula of the instant resurfacing mask immediately strengthens damaged hair while leaving it smooth and shiny to touch. I have applied the mask all over my hair. Now I will leave it for 3 to 5 minutes and I'll then rinse it off. So now I have rinsed off the mask and it is feeling so amazing that I cannot spare my fingers going through all over my hairs again and again. So going ahead with the next and the final step, which is the Serie Expert Hair Serum. So the texture is very smooth and very non-sticky, so it is easy to apply on your hair. Make sure you apply it from the mid length of your hair and till the end, and let it dry until your hair dries up. My hairs are already detangled and look at the shine on it. It's just amazing. I'm really very happy using this easy 3-step process at home with that salon like finish and the effect. So I have 80% air dried my hair and now just look at the shine, look at the the glow of my hair. It is just looking so perfect and I cannot stop my fingers running through it over and over again. So now here is the before and after effect for you all to see the visible differences after one wash only. Let's see its pricing.
So I hope this video was helpful. As you see the visible differences on my hair by only one wash, so I'm really very happy and recommending it to everyone who is having a rough hair or damaged hair like me. And it is available online, so I have link down in my description box in case if you want to check it out. And yeah, please let me know your experience and views on this product in my comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.